Hello student, your first term is complete. Now we will start second term from lesson 5 Equatorial Forest. First of all, you know that what is forest? A forest in an area of land that is made up of trees. Now in this chapter we will read about equatorial forest. First of all, you know that we will know that what is the location of equatorial forest. The equatorial rainforest, इसको हम रेन फॉरेस्ट भी कहते हैं, region, as the name indicates, are found near the equator between 0 and 10 north and south of the equator. The equatorial region falls in the torrid zone and remains hot and wet all throughout the year. If you look at the map carefully, यदि तुम मैप में देखोगे तो you will be able to see that it is spread over parts of 3 continents: Asia, Africa, and South America. In South America, the countries located in equatorial region are Ecuador, Colombia, and Brazil. The rainforests cover the entire Zaire basin and the Guyana coast in West Africa. South Asian countries like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, parts of India, and Australia are also situated in this zone. Now, climate. The climate of the equatorial region is hot and humid throughout the year. The duration of day and night is equal. The humidity is very high because of the high rate of evaporation from large rivers, ponds, seas, and transpiration from plants. Rainfall is heavy throughout the year with an average between 250 and 350 annually, centimeter annually. Rainfall is accompanied by thunderstorm. मतलब पानी बरसता है तो खूब जोर से बिजली भी कड़कती है, बादल गरजते हैं. That is typical in the equatorial belt. There is only one season here. सिर्फ एक season होता है, which is hot and humid without any winter or spring. Plant life. Since the region receives rainfall throughout the year, there is a luxuriant growth of natural vegetation. The equatorial region is an evergreen region as all the trees remain green and do not shed their leaves at the same time. The trees grow in different heights, forming several layers. The trees of this region are also have broad leaves and thick branches, forming a canopy of their top. Mosses and lichens grow on the damp trunk and branches of the trees inside the forest. The equatorial forests are very useful. Ebony, mahogany, etc. are found here. These trees provide raw material for many industries. These forests also comprises creepers, orchids, lianas, and tall trees. They release oxygen and lot of moisture into the air which form thick clouds, जिससे कि इतना ज़्यादा moisture रहता है कि घने बादल हो जाते हैं, and as a result heavy precipitation. In fact, that is why they are called rainforest. इसीलिए हम इनको rainforest कहते हैं. Wildlife. Animal life in equatorial region is found in abundance. There are an immense number and variety of insects, for example, butterflies, mosquitoes, spiders, etc. Animals like gorilla, chimpanzee, wild pigs, and okapis are found in this region. The famous anaconda snake is also found here. Gorillas are found in West Africa. Big animals such as jaguars, crocodiles, and elephants are also found in this region. There are also a large varieties of monkeys and colorful birds are found here. Human life. The equatorial region, is one of the most thinly populated parts of the world. सबसे कम जनसंख्या यहाँ रहती है. Some areas such as Amazon basin, the Zaire basin, and many large islands of Indonesia and the Philippines have extremely sparse population due to dark, dense, and damp forests. Bantu tribes are found in the Zaire basin. The Indonesian islands of Sumatra is populated by the Javas and Kubus. These are the tribal groups. Agriculture. Some people in this region practice shifting agriculture. Crops like maize, rice, and cassava are grown after clearing a patch of forest for 2 to 3 years. माने वहाँ पे जंगलों को साफ कर दिया जाता है, इसके बाद यहाँ पे फसल उगाई जाती है, फिर कुछ टाइम के लिए उसको छोड़ दिया जाता है. After some time, when the fertility of the land diminishes, the people move to new area. Plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is widely practiced in India, Indonesia, Malaysia, West Africa, Central America. Plantation agriculture specialized in production of particular crops. This method, crops are grown on a large scale of commercial purpose. The crops grown in these plantation includes tea, coffee, rubber and coca. ये जो है ये plantation crops. Students, this chapter is finished. I will give you all exercises, question answers in your WhatsApp group and also in your homework. All of you complete it and write it neatly in your copy and give me for checking. Thank you. Have a nice day.